1977. The International Air Tattoo at RAF Mildenhall, the United States decides to wheel out its crown jewel for public display, the Mach 3 Strategic Reconnaissance Ghost, the SR-71 Blackbird. But you don't just park a billion-dollar piece of titanium espionage on an English field without going full tinfoil hat. Subscribe, or he will bite you. The U.S. Air Force was so utterly terrified of Soviet espionage that before the public even arrived, they completely drained every drop of specialized fuel, ripped out every classified sensor, and literally heat-soaked the entire airframe to ambient room temperature, just so Soviet agents couldn't map the internal structures with infrared cameras. They roped it off like a rare zoo animal. And then, right on cue, the Russians showed up. Blackbird pilot Major Buzz Carpenter recalls the Soviet delegation walking up looking less like military elite and more like extras from a 1930s Hollywood mobster movie. They were wearing these incredibly rough, heavy, double-breasted suits. They immediately started aggressively photographing the plane, with a few handlers literally hiding microscopic lenses in their gear. But the head of the Soviet delegation, a former MiG-23 fighter pilot, completely relaxed, total swagger. He saunters right past the security ropes, walks up to Carpenter, and casually drops a line. "Hey, beautiful jet. Why don't you guys drop in on Vladivostok sometime? You know, as a gesture of peaceful relations." He literally asked them to casually deliver America's most top-secret supersonic asset straight to the home base of the Soviet Pacific Fleet. Buzz Carpenter didn't even blink. He looked the Soviet pilot dead in the eye and delivered the ultimate bureaucratic shutdown. Please forward that request to our State Department. If you want to know how we play dirty with the laws of physics and international diplomacy, you know exactly what button to hit. Stay intrepid.